Have you ever wanted smooth, hair-free skin without spending money at the salon? In today's video, I'll show you how to make your own sugar wax at home.
Let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 2 cups of white granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup water. You'll also need a medium saucepan, a wooden spoon or silicone spatula, a heat-resistant glass container for storage.
Step 1. Cooking the sugar wax. Place the sugar, lemon juice, and water into your saucepan. Turn the heat to medium and fizzens. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves completely. Once dissolved, stop stirring continuously.
Allow the mixture to boil while watching it carefully. Stir only occasionally to prevent burning.
As it cooks, the mixture will change from clear to light golden, then to a rich honey or amber color. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your stove.